If you want to make the same amount of money investing only one Solana, keep watching. To create a meme coin, we need an idea. I'll take the easy route and simply copy an existing meme coin from Dex Screener. I found the coin Monkey, and I'll copy it. Now we need to create the coin. The website link is in the description. First, connect your wallet. If you're using Phantom Wallet, you'll get a warning from Phantom. This page is safe. Proceed as I do. I've transferred all information from the Monkey meme coin to this site. You need to create a supply for the coin. I recommend choosing 1 billion. Don't change anything in decimals. Also, add the social media links listed in the original coin. They'll add trust, and you'll get many more buyers. Leave all 3 items checked for optimal meme coin creation. I'm clicking Launch My Token. You need to confirm the transaction to create the meme coin. Great, our meme coin has been successfully created. Now we need to create a liquidity pool. To do this, copy the meme coin address and go to Radium. Paste the address into this field. It's displayed incorrectly for now, but it will be fine after the pool is created. You need to add Solana to the liquidity pool. In my experience, the optimal amount is 3 Solana. Also, select 90% of your token supply, i.e. 900 million. The last step, click Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction. The pool has been successfully created. Let's find our meme coin on Dex Screener using its address. Everything went successfully. The Monkey meme coin was created. Sniper bots have already started buying it. We need to wait a bit, and organic purchases will begin. A little over 10 minutes have passed. The meme coin has grown, so we can remove the liquidity. To do this, go to Radium, click Portfolio, select Standard, and click the minus sign to the right of your meme coin. Select 100% and click Remove Liquidity. We successfully removed the liquidity. Now everyone who bought our meme coin can't sell it. My profit for this coin was $1,100. If you create a creative meme coin that interests most people, you can earn much more.